Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to pin comments on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok app. After opening TikTok, click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on your posted video and go into its comments. Click on the comment and see if there's an option to pin the comment. Otherwise, click on Menu from the top right corner. Go into Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and click on Report a Problem. Then scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Now describe your problem here, as I don't have the option to pin a comment. I think it would be useful to my community. Please help and thank you. And tap to submit your report. Now your feedback is submitted. You just need to wait for the TikTok team to fix the problem. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.